Abiriga habira ryo mukugu homushonga z'abacara narishigaye na ecologist kandi ogu abe nakora n'irwaro rya masindi okumara emyaka herengero 2020 kandi hayitire niwabire nakora nkorikurira ebyamagara home district ya Masindi arugambaho n'abanyamakuru akasheshekerizo ba RDC wa Masindi imengabirano yagira ngo abe byo kwerinda muri Masindi baherize kwato mukazi we abana babiri ahamwe na n'umukozi wo muka okubayambaho ahakucondoza bagira ngo ho munju bashanga mu ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe byaba byesigireho eshagama ecyareta batekateka ngo nyakufa babasa kwa babandize kumwitiraho omunju nabwanyuma bakanago mutumbi aheru.
The public that the death of Abiriga is neither tribal nor political. It is subject to investigation, but he was not in politics, and we should not bring in the tribal. Death is death, and we are not bringing in that corner of the tribal and political. We are investigating the criminal element, and the criminal element has no tribe, has no politics, has no religion, has no color. So at the moment I'm appealing to the public to remain calm and wait for the very final police investigation, but it is not tribal and it is not political.
Kawa Peter uri chairman w'entebe yo kubanza ahabw'Enfa North nagira ngo bagwerirwa kagwe abo kushanga ngo omuntu nko guho mushaho okushanga ngo nayitwaho muringo ogwayisirwemo ngo kandi abira ryo muntu atari kwetwaza kubi omubantu obuyayongera yashaba government kugira ngo abantu nkaba ebahereze obukombe buri kwemarira.
I'm worried about security. Actually, I would request the government that such a people who have very big posts like him, since he has been a DHO, to ensure that they are secured, to give them bodyguards to sustain them, so that the nation can go on.
Abakozi abarikora ahirwariro heri ya Masindi ahamwe na n'abarikora district ya Masindi otireho nabebembezi abibyo butegeki ahamwe n'abataka bagamba mugenzi ngo muntu habire nafayo kandi abirakozireho bwire buringwa abo kushanga ngo bwahati habirarona n'entekateka ezo kuja kumukora hori kurira ebyamagara mu district ya Masindi.
Abiriga is one of the longest serving doctors we have had in the district and the most committed one. For the rest of his life as a doctor, he has been much of his time committed at the theatre because of his seniority and commitment to service.
Bimuno hamukwata muzale akaje yamusanga doctor aine bintu yabimuha babyegondezamu betukandika ibimuno barabali mukazi nkujumira abakazi twe ntali tukali tusasire muno kaitwa abakazi tusasire Dr. Baira takumanya ngonu mwana abadamo ngonu mukazi onu musaija obwakutura hamulimo ababoda boda bona ade amoti nyojo ankutwale amoti nyojo ankutwalire busa amoti nyonya akutwara baitu basindi tufuereirwe Dr. Wamani titumanye Dr. Nkogwa tugenda kumuyanka omusaija Nkogwa Baira ina mutima
obwahati banyakutekatekwaho batwarwa aha police ya Masindi ubwo no kucondoza kuri kweyongerayo gasha kwa gada saba ahabwa Sky TV.